Well, hello and good day from a sunny day in Thailand. At least for the next 2 hours, I'm in Thailand. I'm on my way to Laos, Savvanakhet, and it's going that way. If we go back this way, we're going inside Thailand again. This road, the big sign you can see says Konkan. But you're with me, so I'll see you when I reach my hotel in Savvanakhet. Down to the Well, finished check-in, finished check-out of Thailand, and now we are at the check-in point here in Cambodia. No, Laos, of course. It's my second time, as I tell you. So, actually quite good to be back. Well, I made it. I'm in the hotel now. This is the room. 2 beds, a bit hot. Oh, freaking heck. Almost 15 hours later. Bite me. The room, my view. I don't know what this if it was supposed to be a swimming pool or whatever, but doesn't work anymore at least. And soon I will go have some food. Oh yeah, the toilet. Oh. Got everything you need. So. And of course the closet, wardrobe, but no safety box. No. So for long-term stay, I wouldn't recommend it, but the location is great. I promise you that. I'll show you that later tonight. Really, really close to the Savvanakhet night market. Perfect. I love it. So, hang on. Well, this is a new restaurant. Wasn't a pink ham like it was last time. But this is actually way better, and that's including the price for the whole trip. So, but it's a nice cozy place, this one. Look at this. But soon, when we finish eat here, I haven't got a clue what it's called. But I will show you some of the Savvanakhet night market. Right by the Mekong River, just across from the hotel. So, hang in there. Thailand Laos kitchen restaurant in Laos. So, if you ever come here, try it. Fair prices, good food. So, Thailand Laos kitchen restaurant, ladies and gentlemen. As I told you guys, I wanted to show you the night market here in Savvanakhet, Laos. But first, let me show you this. So as you know, I'm in Laos now, Savvanakhet. And the light you can see in the background over there, that is Thailand. And this is the Mekong River. You can see it, I will show you in the morning. But this is the backside, the riverside of the market. We also have up on the street as well. And I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's a huge screen up there. That's new. That wasn't here the last time I was here. So, to be fair, it's actually quite nice, this market here. I really like something like this. And it's my second time here in Laos, looking at this. Have everything here. Also for the kids. That's really nice. Cool. Actually, families having fun, enjoying themselves. Flipping heck. This is awesome. This is actually my first time I see the market from down here, actually. So, and as you can see, oh, sorry about that, more for the kids over here. Ain't that bad, right? So, let's take a look from the street view. Even more inside. It was more busy last time I was here, but again, I was in the beginning of the high season, late October last year. But this is pretty amazing. Nice, I think. Let me know in the comments what you think about this place. And if you ever have been here, let me know. Oh, there is more. Flipping heck. Another bar. And here, the Carlsberg sign. There's a small cozy bar street, this one I can see. Some of them look pretty fair, to be honest. Whoa, that's a huge one. Big stage. And I think one of the most famous beer they like to drink here has to be Heineken. Well, Carlsberg is popular here. So, let's take a small walk down the market place, but from the street view. Everything looks pretty fair, I think. I don't know why, but I really like something like this. I know we did have a little something to eat before, but maybe I will find something on my way back to the hotel. Well, last time I was here 5 months ago, The video, I will post the link in the description, but it's in Danish, but have English subtitles. This, now I'm gonna turn the camera around. This was a construction site, actually, that you can see in the Danish video, and turn into this. That's beautiful. But that was a huge construction site last time I was here. I think it's one of the latest videos from the trip. Number 3 or number 4 out of 4. It was. So yeah. And this was the bar I visited with Ken and Ismail last time. So, well, heading back now. Well guys, I'm gonna grab something to eat and then I will go back to the hotel.